In a world where cash is becoming less common, crypto is stepping up as a game changer. Imagine a future where money isn't just paper bills or coins, but digital assets that can be sent across the globe in seconds. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. First off, crypto offers a level of accessibility that traditional banking can't match. Millions of people around the world lack access to basic banking services. With just a smartphone and internet connection, anyone can dive into the world of crypto. This opens doors for financial inclusion like never before. Then there's the issue of security. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, which is super secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, making it nearly impossible to alter or hack. This means users can trust that their funds are safe, unlike traditional banking systems that can be vulnerable to fraud. Another exciting aspect is the potential for lower transaction fees. Sending money internationally through banks can be a costly endeavor, with fees piling up. Crypto transactions, on the other hand, often come with minimal fees, making it a more affordable option for sending money across borders. This could revolutionize remittances, allowing families to keep more of their hard-earned cash. Crypto also empowers individuals by giving them more control over their finances. With traditional banks, there are often restrictions on how much money can be withdrawn or transferred. Crypto allows users to manage their funds without intermediaries, giving them the freedom to make their own financial decisions. And let's not forget about innovation. The crypto space is buzzing with creativity, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These innovations are reshaping how people think about ownership, investment, and even art. As more people engage with these technologies, the future of money will likely look very different from what it does today. Moreover, crypto is becoming more mainstream. Major companies are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as payment, and even some governments are exploring their own digital currencies. This shift signals a growing acceptance of crypto in everyday transactions, making it a viable option for the future. In conclusion, crypto matters because it represents a shift towards a more inclusive, secure, and innovative financial system. As the world continues to evolve, embracing cryptocurrency could lead to a future where everyone has access to the tools they need to thrive financially. The future of money is digital, and crypto is leading the charge. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.